A very good morning to all dear kids. Hope so you all are doing good. My dear kids, when I watch your comments, no, that time I feel very unhappy. I feel very sad because I can see only 24, 30 or maximum 35 comments are there. Why? What's the reason? I can't say ki you are not watching videos because I can see views. I expect maximum 80 views. Okay, because 80 students are there, less than 80 only. Uh, from second A and second B, only 80 students are there. Maximum 80 students are there. So I expect 80 views, but I can see more than 80 views. But comments, then I expect 80 comments also. But comments are not there. I don't know what's the reason. I request you again, when you watch video and when you complete the video, that time, please don't forget to drop a comment, name and your class and division. That's it. Okay. And one more thing, whatever you are completing at home, maybe you are solving worksheets, doing assignments, or writing notes, or doing any activities, please submit these all things in a particular drive. Some parents are saying this is not opening only, but I tried using another email ID, but it's working. Okay, please try it again and submit all things in a particular drive. Okay, now let's discuss about the study. In a computer period, we have completed 4 chapters. But 3 chapters we have completed the revision and the writing work also. Whatever the question answers there in a textbook we solve. Whatever the notebook we have to write, I will give a notes. I'll send one notebook to you. Then you can copy down it in your notebook. Okay. So today we'll take a revision. We'll take a quiz actually. For this, you need one piece of paper. Okay. Take one piece of paper. Write quiz. Then today's date, subject computer, class second A or B, and write your name. Okay. After this, write number 1 to 20. Write number 1 to 20 because 20 questions we are going to solve. I'll read question A for you and then I'll give you 4 options A, B, C, D. If you think A is correct option, correct answer, then write the A in front of number 1. Okay. Then after I'll give you time to solve. After that, I'll tell you the correct answer also. If your answer, that means A is correct, then tick here. Okay, tick the right. And if your answer A is wrong, then please cross it. Okay. Do the same for all questions. And at the end of the question, please write your total marks. 20 questions are there, that means 20 marks will be there. Okay. And count the whatever the questions are, whatever the answers are right. Okay, you have solved the correct answer. So count it and write the number here. Click a photo of this paper, okay, and submit it in the drive in activity folder. Okay, now let's start computer quiz. It's so easy and you will definitely enjoy it. The quiz is here. Question number 1. Which of the following is the monitor of computer? We have to recognize the picture of monitor. Which one is the monitor? Okay. Options are A, CPU, B, this thing, C, whatever you can see here, and D, which one you think is a monitor? Write your answer in front of the number 1. Is it A? Then write A. Is it B? Write B. Is it C? Write C. If it is D, write D. Done? Now don't change it, okay? And the correct answer is This is option D is a monitor. Monitor looks like a TV screen. So it's a monitor. Option D. If you write the D only, then tick the correct. If you have written A, B, C, anything, so please cross it. Okay. Then question number 2. Which device is known as the brain of a computer? Is it CPU A, B keyboard, C mouse, D monitor? Which is the device? Which device is known as the brain of a computer? Done? And the correct answer is CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. Number 3. What does CPU stands for? What does CPU stands for? That means what is the long form of CPU or expanded form of CPU? Options are A. Compressed Program Unit, B. Central Processing Unit, C. Clothes Processing Unit, and D. Computer Program Unit. Which one is the correct? Write the answer fast. Think and write, okay? And the correct answer is Central Processing Unit, B. If you have written B, then tick it. Tick the correct. Okay. Number 4. A monitor is also known as the. A monitor is also known as the A. Keyboard, B. TV, C. Visual Display Unit, and D. Book. Write your correct answer. And the correct answer is option C, Visual Display Unit. Many of the students might be solved option B, TV. My dear kids, monitor looks like a TV. Okay, its screen looks like a TV, but it's not called TV. Okay, it's called Visual Display Unit. We have learned in the parts of computer, that means the chapters 2. Okay. So monitor is also known as the visual display unit. Which device will display the pictures and words? Which device display the pictures and words? That means where we can see the pictures and words, whatever we are writing, where we can see. Number A, option A, monitor. Option B, keyboard. Option C, CPU. And the option D, mouse, where you can see the pictures and words. Write it fast. You have to write only A, B, C, D, okay? Whatever you think it's correct. Don't write monitor, keyboard, their name. Hope so you have done. And the correct answer is where we can see the pictures and words. Of course, on a monitor, we know the answer. Then question number 6. Identify true statement. Here, 4 statements are here. Okay, you have to identify which one is the correct statement. Option A, calculations are performed in CPU. Option B, CPU controls all the functions of a computer. Option C, CPU is the brain of the computer. And the option D, all the above. Read the all options and then write the answer, okay? Shall I read for you again? Option A, calculations are performed in CPU. Option B, CPU controls all the function of a computer. Option C, CPU is the brain of a computer. And option D, all the above. And the correct answer is option D, all the above. Might be many students wrote the answer option A, maybe B, maybe C. My dear kids, all three sentences are correct. Okay, that means that option D is correct. All the above. All the above are the true statements. Okay, if you have written calculation are performed in CPU, you are not wrong. This is the true statement. But what about the others? These are also true statements. So we have to take the option D, all the above. Okay. Number 7, which device is used for entering data into a computer? To enter data, which device we use? Option A, speaker, B, keyboard, C, CPU, and D, monitor. Which device we use to enter data into a computer? And the correct answer is it's keyboard. We use keyboard to enter data, isn't it? Number 8, which along the following is pointing device? Which one is the pointing device? Option A, keyboard. Option B, mouse. Option C, printer. And option D, monitor. Which one is the pointing device? Done? And the correct option is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. Question number 9. Which part of the computer will give printouts of documents? If you want anything from your computer on a paper, you want a hard copy, that means you want a printout. So which device you should use that time? We use option A, printer, B, scanner, C, CPU, D, speaker. Which device we use to take a printouts? Done? And the correct option is correct answer is printer. We know that when we want a printout, we use printer for that. We give the command print and we can get the print from the printer. Okay, so we use printer to take out the printouts of documents. Question number 10. Which of the following is multimedia device? Which of the following is multimedia device? Is it speaker? Option B, mic. Option C, mouse. And option D, both A and B. Multimedia device. A and B, that means speaker and mic also. C means mouse. Done? And the correct answer is both A and B, because speaker and mic both are the multimedia device. Number 11, Harsha is listening music. Okay, which device is he using? If Harsha is listening music, which device is he using? Is it option A, UPS, B, CPU, C, speaker, D, mic? And the correct answer is which thing we use to listen music? Speakers. Of course, we use speakers to listen music. Number 12. What is the purpose of device shown in the picture? Can you see this picture? Here, mic. Okay. What is the purpose of this mic? A, to record the voice. B, to listen sounds. C, to play games. And D, to type documents. What is the use of the mic? For what purpose we use mic? Done? And the correct answer is option A, to record a voice. Okay. Number 13. Which part of the computer is missing in the given picture? Here we can see the picture. This is the picture of a computer. Computer made of the different parts. Okay. But one important part is missing there. So which part is missing here? Option A, keyboard. B, mouse. C, CPU. D, monitor. Done? And the correct answer is mouse. Because we can see a keyboard here, we can see a CPU here, we can see a monitor here, but we cannot see a mouse. That means the mouse is missing. So mouse is the correct answer. Question number 14. Expand the UPS. What is the long form of UPS? What the UPS stand for? Option A, Uniform Portable Series. B, Universal Port Series. C, uninterrupted power supply. And D, user position state. And write down your correct answer. We have learned this. Then UPS stands for, or the expand form of UPS is option C, uninterrupted power supply. Okay. Question number 15. Which device provides emergency power supply to the computers when electricity fails? If you are working on a computer and your electricity goes off or electricity fails, that time which device you have to supply the emergency power? Is it A, monitor, B, printer, C, scanner, and D, UPS? And the correct answer is yes, of course, UPS. What is the device called? Can you see this picture? Which device is this? A, scanner, B, printer, C, keyboard, D, laptop. Write your correct answer on the paper. And the correct answer is, this is the picture of scanner. Good. Number 17. What are the buttons of keyboard called? Whatever the buttons we can see on a keyboard, so we call what? What we call to these buttons? Option A, icons, B, click, C, wheels, and D, keys. Then the correct answer is option D, keys. Okay, we call these buttons keys. Number 18. Which of the following are used to connect the different parts of the computer? I didn't teach you this question, okay? But it is not hard question. We can solve it, okay? So which of the following are used to connect the different parts of computer? Is we use a thread, option A, to connect the different one. Computer means what? Different parts come together and make a computer, okay? So how we connect? Suppose this mouse is connected to my computer. So this mouse is connected with the computer, or means how it's connected to computer. The option A, it's thread. Option B, it's data cable. Option C, it's copper wire. And option D, it's steel wire. Is it thread? This mouse connected with this cable. Is it thread? Is it data cable? Is it copper wires, sorry, or is it steel wire? Suppose I want to connect anything to the computer, which thing we use? Thread, Data cable, copper wires, or steel wire? And the correct answer is data cable. Number 19. Which device is used for scanning picture to the computer? This keyboard should be on the number D, option D, okay? So which device is used to scanning picture? Which device we use for scanning? Okay. A printer, B scanner, C mouse, and D keyboard. Which device we use to scan pictures? Then the correct answer is scanner. Okay. Number 20. Which of the following stores information? Is it keyboard, scanner, printer, or like a memory card? And the correct answer is option D. Here we store the information. We have solved 20 questions. Okay. Hope so you have completed this. Now do one thing. Count your correct answer. How many correct answers are there? Okay. Count it and write the figure of the correct answer. If 10 is there, write 10. 11 is there, write 11. If 2 is there, you have solved the 2 correct answer, then write 2. Okay. And if you have solved the 20 is all you have done good, so write 20. And please click a photo and submit this paper, submit this photo on a drive. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.